Thank you for being here and welcome to the sixth installation of this 10-part series on fruits. Today we will go over the third most consumed fruit on this planet, watermelons. This refreshingly sweet fruit is versatile and delicious and has some interesting history. We will talk about where they're from, the health benefits watermelon provides, the varieties, cooking with them, and the possibilities of growing watermelons at home. Let's dive in. The earliest seeds of watermelons have been found in southern Africa and dates back over 5,000 years. The watermelon's ancestor was a drought-tolerant plant that stored water, and Africans in the Kalahari Desert used watermelons as a water source. It was first cultivated in Egypt over 5,000 years ago. They were then introduced to the Mediterranean and India. Watermelons started out as small, bitter fruits. Over time, people selectively planted seeds from larger, tastier fruits, creating the sweet red watermelon we know today. Ancient Egyptians revered it, with evidence found in tombs and hieroglyphs. The Moors introduced watermelon to Europe during their occupation of Spain. As explorers and traders navigated the globe, watermelon found its way to the Americas. Today, it thrives worldwide and is loved for its juicy, refreshing taste. Beyond this delightful flavor, watermelons remains as a symbol of summer, celebrated in diverse cultures for its sweet and hydrating allure. Watermelon is approximately 90% water. China, Turkey, and India are the world's top producers of watermelons. There are numerous varieties of watermelon, each with its own unique characteristics in terms of size, color, flavor, and texture. Here are descriptions of three of the most common types of watermelon. Sugar baby watermelons are small, round, and dark green. They are known for their compact size, making them ideal for smaller households or on-the-go snacking. The flesh is deep red, sweet, and crisp. Sugar baby watermelons typically weigh between 5 to 10 pounds. Next we have crimson sweet watermelons. They are larger and oval shaped with light green stripes on a dark green rind. They are a popular variety for home gardens and commercial cultivation. The flesh is vibrant red, sweet, and juicy. These watermelons can weigh anywhere from 15 to 25 pounds. Finally, we have yellow doll watermelons. It stands out due to their bright yellow rind with thin green stripes. This variety is usually distinctive from the more common red flesh watermelons. The flesh is pale yellow and has a unique flavor. Yellow doll watermelons are typically medium-sized, ranging from 8 to 12 pounds. These are just a few examples, and there are many other watermelon varieties, each with its own taste and appearance. Watermelon cultivars can also vary based on factors like seedless or seeded varieties, and some may have unique features such as sugar content that's specifically bred for sweetness. When choosing watermelon, it is often helpful to consider personal preferences regarding sweetness, texture, and size. So, what are the benefits of watermelon? Watermelons are not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. They are about 90% water content, making them one of the most hydrating fruits you can enjoy. Plus, they're a rich source of vitamin A and C, which promotes skin and immune system health. Watermelons also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been associated with reducing the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Watermelon is a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage, supports the immune system, and aids in collagen synthesis for healthy skin. Lycopene, an antioxidant, gives watermelon its red color and has been associated with reduced risk of certain cancers and cardiovascular diseases. Next we have beta-carotene, another antioxidant in watermelon that promotes eye health and overall immune function. In addition, we have citrulline. Watermelons contains citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine. This process may help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow, potentially reducing blood pressure. Presence of potassium in watermelon is beneficial for heart health, helping to regulate blood pressure and supporting proper heart function. Let's talk about the anti-inflammatory properties of watermelon. Cucurbitacin E, a mouthful and yes, an important compound in watermelon, exhibits anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Lycopene, beyond its antioxidant properties, lycopene has anti-inflammatory benefits. Next, we move to the muscle soreness. The citrulline content in watermelon has been linked to the reduced muscle soreness, making it a potential natural remedy for post-exercise recovery. Watermelon aids in digestive health. Watermelon contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber aids in nutrition absorption, while insoluble fibers supports digestive regularity. Next, we have beta-carotene in watermelon that contributes to eye health by converting to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Did you know that watermelons aids in weight management? With its high water content and relatively low calories, watermelon can be a satisfying, nutritious, and hydrating option for those looking to manage their weight. It is also important in skin health. The combination of antioxidants in watermelons protect the skin from oxidative damage, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. While enjoying the delicious taste of watermelon, incorporating it into a diverse and balanced diet, it enhances overall health benefits. Individuals with health concerns should consult healthcare professionals for personalized dietary advice. So, let's head to the kitchen and unlock some culinary possibilities of watermelon. These fruits are incredibly versatile. Here are a few dishes to think about when it comes to this fruit. How about a watermelon mint salad? Refreshing watermelon cubes meet this invigorating taste of chopped mint, creating a simple and vibrant salad that captures the essence of summer. Now, watermelon salsa. Diced watermelon, red onion, jalapeno, and cilantro combine in a zesty salsa with a splash of lime, perfect for dipping or topping your favorite dishes. Not to be left out is watermelon gazpacho. Chilled gazpacho featuring pureed watermelon, cucumber, bell peppers, and tomatoes with a touch of red onion and fresh herbs for a flavorful summer soup. Have you thought about watermelon and herb skewers? Alternating watermelon cubes with fresh herbs on a skewer creates a visually appealing and tasty dish, drizzled with a balsamic glaze for added flavor. And finally, a watermelon smoothie bowl. A blend of frozen watermelon, coconut or almond yogurt, ripe banana, and topped with fresh berries and granola, an easy and vibrant start to your day. Have you ever thought about growing watermelons at home? If you've ever dreamed of growing your own, it's a rewarding feeling. Watermelon plants thrive in warm climates and can be cultivated in your backyard or garden. Plant the seeds after the last frost. You can also start the seedling indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Sow the seeds half-inch deep, plant in a mound to keep the plant off the ground and help prevent powdery mildew. Water plants with 1 to 2 inches of water per week in the morning at the base of the vine, avoiding wetting the leaves. Watermelons grow best in well-drained, sandy soil with a pH between 6 and 6.5. Add compost or well-rotted manure in spring or fall, and watermelons need lots of sun, about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. For traditional gardening with standard watermelon varieties, each plant typically requires about 3 to 4 feet of space between plants, and the rows should be spaced 5 to 6 feet apart. This allows the vines to spread and the fruit to develop properly. If you're growing watermelons in containers, choose varieties specifically designed for small spaces. A large container with a diameter of 18 inches is recommended to accommodate the spreading vines and support healthy growth. Consider using a trellis or vertical support system to maximize space. See the amount of vitamins and minerals and their daily percentage value in watermelons. Well, my fellow watermelon enthusiasts, we've reached the end of our journey through the world of watermelons. But the best part is that your watermelon adventure doesn't have to end here. Grab a slice of watermelon, savor its history, health benefits, mouth-watering flavor, and let the watermelon love continue. As always, please consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for the next installation in this series, and give the video a thumbs up if you found the content informative. I am grateful that you traveled on this journey through the world of watermelon with me. Until next time.